Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to send an email in Gmail. First of all, click the Compose button in the left side under the Gmail logo, and then click on the body and type the message you want to send. And then in the subject, type the subject that you want. And in the recipients, type to where you will be sent this email. And there will be a suggestion here for the Gmail user that you want to send email. Just click on it. And then after you're done with the email content and the recipient, click the send button down here to send the email. And there will be a notification that the message is sent. You can do undo message or view the message. Here is the message you send to the recipient. You can find this email in the send section here. Here will be all the email that you send will be listed here. Okay, that's all for this video on how to send an email in Gmail. If you like this video, please subscribe this channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.